Okay, YouTube, what's up, guys? What a day today in the markets. Markets have made a rally back up today. We'll have to see if it holds or not, but what a day. For Tesla, yesterday we tested the 393 support level on the 1 day, and in the day yesterday we bounced up to about around 403, and then in pre-market hours, we actually bounced up on the 21 EMA, as you can see here, that orange line, and actually made a good little reversal. And early this morning, I saw this and I was like, wow. So we actually here have a potential to actually go to the upside. And something that I wanted to show you all here today is that you could see the uh, divergences here on the 30-minute. Let me see. I think you could see it on the weekly. You could see it on the 30-minute. You could see the divergences on the 30-minute and on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, and I think it was even might have been on the 15-minute. But anyways, yeah, I mean, Tesla and most of the stock markets basically rally back up to base and kind of build some support. So we'll have to see if this holds tomorrow. We've had this overhead resistance here, 415, that we haven't really been able to crack, but we've been slowly just grinding upwards, and we've kind of overtaken these EMAs. So now we're above the EMA, so we're extremely bullish. So depending on how Nvidia earnings come in, which I expect for them to be earnings, so it depends on how people take it. Who knows, we might get a sell-off here after market hours. So we'll have to see, but just beautiful opportunity today to jump into calls, especially at these support levels at the 48 EMA, this reddish line, at the 21 and the 13 all day. You could have jumped in and made some money. I was initially able to jump in around 9:40 this morning and catch a couple plays. Just being able to realize that we had divergences set up, in pre-market, and I noticed as soon as market opened that we were going to flush down and hit the support, and that's exactly what happened. Tesla, normally one of the patterns that it always follows is that if it's up in pre-market, and it seems like the continuation or the price continuation is going to continue, it usually right at open it dips, it tests that support, and then it bounces. So you get that nice dip and rip. So just beautiful chart today on Tesla, and just easy quick money to be made on Tesla. So yeah, we'll have to see if these levels hold for tomorrow. You see, if I'm thinking that if we get, if this 14, about 414 to 415 level, if we can get above that and hold it, yeah, we're back to the upside. Potentially touching hitting our high back a few days ago. What was that, like last week? So we're probably gonna go back to 453. But another thing to look out for is that this could just be a lower high. So we'll have to see how that 414, 415 level holds. If it does, and then if it doesn't, then we could just see a lower low, and we could just literally hit 414, 420 and roll down to the downside and go test this low and then go make a new one. So just, you know, things to look out for here on Tesla for tomorrow. But today, what a great opportunity to make some quick money on it. So yeah, I'll leave it with that.